so much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hello, it's me, Blippi, and today I'm at PV Bakery in Seattle, Washington. Whoa, look at this place. Whoa, it's so cool. Yeah, we're in the back. Yeah, this is called a kitchen. Oh, and look at what it is. Wow, look at it. Wow, this is an apron. Ooh, check it out. Look at those flowers. Yeah, this apron is gonna help keep me nice and clean when I bake. Yep, I sure ate a lot of vegetables today. Yep, and now that I ate a bunch of healthy food, we can have something yummy and sweet. I am so excited. Let's go. Wow, look at this place. Whoa, there's so many cool things. Yeah, like a measuring cup. Yeah, you can put things in there and then know how much of an ingredient you have exactly in this measuring cup. Whoa, or a giant spoon. Whoa, you can stir a lot of stuff with that. Whoa, whoa, and look at this. Yeah, a spatula. Boing. That's so cool. Okay, let's set it right there for now. Whoa, looks like we have some vinegar. Yum! Okay, there we go. Wow, come on. Whoa, a giant sink. Woohoo! Yeah! This is where I clean a lot of dishes. Woohoo! Oh, speaking of cleaning dishes. Whoa, hello! Look, this is a dishwasher. You put a lot of dirty dishes right here, and then you close it down. Yeah, that is awesome. Whoa! Whoa, check it out. This is a stovetop. Whoa, you can cook so much food right here. Whoa, there's so many stovetops. Whoa, do you see the little fire right there? Yeah, this is not a toy. You need to be very careful when you're cooking. Whoa! Yum! Yeah! Look at these sweet treats. Wow, these are macarons, and they look so yummy. Look at this one. This one is the color red. Whoa, looks like we have some green and some blue and some orange. Whoa, look, I'll grab an orange and a blue. My two favorite colors. Ah, I'll eat these later. Whoa, we have some black sesame cookies. Yum! Woo! And some ube cookies. Yum! Check these out. Open these up. Wow, what color is that? Yeah, the color purple. Yeah, there's no food coloring in this. That is the color of the food that was added into this cookie. And that's so cool. Okay, we'll put that right there for me to eat later. Oh, look at these cute things. Looks like, what animal is that? Yeah. Moo. Moo. Yeah, a cow. Ooh, a vanilla cake. Yeah, Blippi party cake. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Yeah. And a triple chocolate cake. That looks so yummy. Well, hey, maybe you and I can cook and bake some of this. Yeah, how about today we make some macarons? Yeah! Whoa, check it out. I'm washing my hands and I'm scrubbing them for 20 seconds. Yeah, do you know how long 20 seconds is? Yeah, it's about the same length as when you sing the ABCs. Will you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, HIJKLMNOP QRSTUV WX Y and Z. Hey, there we go. Okay, let's rinse them all off. Wow, they're nice and clean now. Okay, perfect. Shut off the water. Oh, wow. And now I'm ready to make some delicious treats. Oh, hey, who are you?
Hi, I'm Jennifer. I'm the baker for Penny Bakery.
Whoa, nice to meet you. I'm Blippi. Are these the ingredients?
Yeah, these are some ingredients for some macarons.
Ooh, well, what do we have here?
Well, first we have eggs, and we have almond flour, we have sugar, and we have an important ingredient called salt. And when you eat it, it's really salty, but when you put it in desserts, it actually makes it sweeter and tastier.
Ooh, that sounds so yummy. And you said almond flour. Why are we using that rather than all-purpose flour?
So almond flour is special because when you put it in macarons, it makes it less sticky than flour and makes it really light.
Wow, that is so cool. Well, hey, do you mind if I mix all these ingredients?
Yeah, how about you throw all the ingredients into a bowl and throw it into the mixer, and I'll go get the oven ready.
Okay. Woohoo! All right, let's mix all the ingredients together and then we'll put it in the mixer. All right, first, let's add the salt. Perfect. And then we'll add the sugar. And then the almond flour. Whoa! Hey, check it out. A small bowl, medium, and large. There we go. Perfect. And for the eggs. Oh, wait a second. I probably have to break them open. All right, here we go. Now I'm gonna go put it in the mixer. Yeah! Whoa! Hey, check it out. This is a massive mixing machine. Whoa! Look how big it is. There's a giant whisk right here. Wow. Looks like there's a green on button, a red stop button, and a big bowl for me to add all the ingredients. All right, here we go. Pour it in. Looks like we already made some earlier. Yeah, this is gonna be a big batch. Whoa. All right, now that all the ingredients are in there, we need to make sure that the cover is closed. We need to raise up the bowl. There we go. And now we need to turn this to the on position. There we go. And we'll push the green start button in 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Look at it mix. Wow. Yeah, the batter is finished. Whoa, this is a big bowl. Okay, the next step that we need to do, is take some of this batter and put it inside these piping bags. Yeah, what shape is this piping bag? Oh, yeah, it looks like a triangle. Perfect. And do you see how you open it up? Yeah, that's where you put all the batter. But hey, check it out. Yeah, we have some batter already in a piping bag. Woohoo! Okay, Jennifer, now that we have the batter in the piping bags, what do we do now?
Well, first we need to cut the bag.
Okay.
So cut mine.
Okay.
And we're gonna make some cow macarons.
Ooh.
To do that, first you're going to need one big circle.
Okay.
Like
We're gonna make
that.
cow macarons. And we need a big circle for, is that the head?
That's gonna be the head, yeah.
Okay.
And then we need 2 small circles on the top for its ears.
Okay.
That is not how I want it.
That's funny. That's okay. Okay, I see it. Yeah, the head and then 2 ears. Here, let me try. All right. There we go. Yeah, it's just like that. And then 1 ear, 2 ears. Perfect. That's gonna be one great cow. Okay, do we fill it up now?
Yeah, let's fill up the whole pan.
All right, let's do it. Yeah! Whoa! That was so much fun!
Yeah, now that we're done, why don't you throw them into the oven for 20 minutes and I'll get the buttercream ready.
Okay, all right. So I need to throw these in the oven for 20 minutes? Whoa! All right, so let me put on these safety gloves. All right. Yeah, here we go. Wow, I used my safety gloves because ovens are not a toy. You need to be very careful. Okay, what did Jennifer say? She said 20 minutes. Oh, that's a long time to wait. But wait a second, you know what I like to do when I wait? Yeah, I like to dance. Woohoo! Did you hear that? Yeah, that buzzer means that they're probably done. Yeah, let's open it up and then see the macarons. Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo! That is hot. Woo! And they look so yummy. Wow! Check it out. Now it's time to decorate. Wow, that looks like so much fun. Hey, can I try?
Sure, Blippi, go ahead and give it a try.
Sure. Okay. Well, looks like we have 3 colors here. We have black, and then looks like we have white, and then looks like we have the color pink. Let's see, what are we making? Oh yeah, remember these from earlier? Yeah, a cow, a cute cow. Moo! Yeah, it has 2 eyes, has 2 ears, has some spots, and a really cute nose. Okay, let's put that down right here. And I'm gonna start with the black. All right, looks like I'll do 2 eyes. And we need to do the spots. Cute little hair thing on top. Okay, so now let me move to the color pink. All right, looks like pink. We put it on the ears, and it's the base for the nose. Last but not least, the color white. And we just put a little, I put a little too much, but that's okay. There we go. How does it look? Yeah, does that look like a cow? Moo! Moo! Wow, that looks so good. All right, let's keep on decorating. Whoa, check it out! Yeah, a Blippi party cake. Yum! Whoa, what are these? Yeah, macarons. Yum, they're so tasty. What is this though? Yeah, does it look like my bow tie? Yeah, It's an orange Blippi Macron bow tie. And it looks so tasty, doesn't it? Yeah! Well, hey, check this out. I have 2 things of icing. My 2 favorite colors, blue and orange. And check it out. I have a Blippi Macron that's empty. No colors at all. So maybe, just maybe, we can use some of this icing to decorate it. So my normal bow tie is orange, but I'm actually gonna use some blue too. So let's just squirt some out. Whoa, that looks cool. Let's do a big dot there. Do a big dot there. How about one right there? Oh, and one way over there. Whoa, that doesn't look like my bow tie, does it? No, that's okay though. Sometimes when you're being creative, yeah, actually all the times when you're being creative, you can do whatever you want. Yeah, like this. Woohoo! Check it out. Whoa, yum. Doesn't that look tasty? Yum. And hey, watch this. I'm gonna do another big blob. Yeah, a blue. Oh, I will just finish that all the way across there. And then I'll put some orange on top of that. Wow. Now, does that look tasty? Or does that look tasty? Yum! These are so tasty! Wow! That has been so much fun making all these sweet treats with you, hasn't it? Yeah! I want to give a special thanks to Jennifer at Peony Bakery in Seattle, Washington. Wow, she did such a good job and they are so yummy! Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.